Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Shopify with Claude. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all we have to do is to log into Claude. Then we're going to select Customize from the left-hand side. Then we're going to select Connectors. Then we're going to click the plus symbol, browse connectors, and here we're going to use the search bar to find Shopify. Then we're going to click on Shopify, and all we have to do really is to click on connect, log into Shopify, and that's how we can link Shopify with Claude. Before you begin now, it will be interesting to pay attention under tools. These are all the functions that Claude can perform with Shopify. That's what Claude can do together with Shopify. Of course, after you link Claude and Shopify, you can ask Claude how else it can help you to analyze data or perform actions in Shopify. And that's it. So one more time, you log into Claude, you click on Customize left-hand side, Connectors, you add a new connector, you browse connectors, you select Shopify, you log in, and that's exactly how you can connect Claude with Shopify. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.